Welcome to this in-depth tutorial about Hyperliquid, where I will show you exactly how you can create an account on Hyperliquid, how you can create a wallet which is compatible with Hyperliquid, and how you can deposit funds into Hyperliquid and buy cryptocurrencies such as the Hype token, or just simply trade futures on Hyperliquid. For this tutorial, you will need three things. First of all, of course, a Hyperliquid account. Second of all, you will need a MetaMask wallet or any other wallet which works with Hyperliquid. In my case, I will use MetaMask because they support Arbitrum, which is the network which we will need to deposit funds into Hyperliquid. Then lastly, we will need a crypto exchange to deposit funds into our MetaMask wallet using the Arbitrum network, and for this we will use Bitunex. Additionally, Hyperliquid also offers a 4% discount when you register with a referral code, so if you want to find the discount codes, check the video description, you will find all of the links. And when you click those links to create your Hyperliquid account or Bitunex account, you will get a 4% discount on Hyperliquid and 10% discount on Bitunex, so definitely check that out. The very first thing we have to do is create a MetaMask wallet. For this, let's click on MetaMask on the official MetaMask website, which is metamask.io. I also leave you the link to the official MetaMask website in the video description. So simply click on Get a MetaMask. And now we are redirected to the Chrome web store, where we will add the MetaMask wallet to Chrome. So simply click on Add to Chrome, add extension. And then you will see in just a second, now up here in the top right corner, we can see MetaMask is now successfully launched. First of all, we have to set up our wallet, and this is a very important process because if you lose this wallet, you will actually lose your funds. So follow this very, very closely. First of all, click on Get Started, click on Agree. Of course, you're gonna read all of this. And now we have to click Create a new wallet. If you already have a wallet, you can import it, but in this case, I want to show you everything from scratch, so I will click on Create a new wallet. Then I will select Use Secret Recovery Phrase. And now, first of all, we have to set up a password. Make sure you type this in correctly and you remember it, because a MetaMask cannot restore the password. You can only recover it with your secret phrase, which we will get in the next phase. So first of all, let's configure a password. And then we have to secure our wallet. And this is very important. Do this right now, don't do this later. This will be your secret recovery phrase. So once you click on this, you will get 12 words, which you have to write down somewhere. And if you lose your wallet, maybe you forget your password or your computer crashes, then you have to recover it with this secret recovery phrase. Never share it with anyone. So click on this and then write it down somewhere. And then you will have your wallet secured and backed up. Now, just for the confirmation, you have to put in 3 words so they see that you have the right details. So put in the correct words and then click on Continue. Now we have properly set up our MetaMask wallet, but there is one more thing that we have to do. We need to add the Arbitrum network to our MetaMask wallet. For this, you can see here the drop down, click on this. And then you will have to select Arbitrum YT, which is the first one. Click on the plus sign on the right side, click on Approve, and now we have added the Arbitrum 1 network to our wallet, which we will need when we want to deposit funds into Hyperliquid. Now we have everything we need from MetaMask. Also, very important, the wallet address. We will now copy this wallet address up here, and then we will provide it on Bitunex, because as I said, we will send the funds from Bitunex to our MetaMask wallet, and for this we need to provide this exact wallet address over on our Bitunex account. Now we will send Ethereum from Bitunex to our MetaMask wallet using the Arbitrum 1 network. If you don't have any Ethereum yet, you can check out the Buy Crypto section on Bitunex, or alternatively on the spot market if you have stable coins such as USDT. I use Bitunex for this because they have low fees, deep liquidity, and also they offer a 10% discount on your trading fees when you create an account with the link in the video description. So definitely check that out if you want to get these benefits. So in the withdrawal section, first of all, I'm selecting Ethereum. Then second of all, we have to select Arbitrum 1 as the network. This is very important. Make sure it's Arbitrum 1. Then we paste in the wallet address, which we copied from our MetaMask. Remember, I showed you where you can find your MetaMask wallet address. copy it and paste it in here, and also go back and compare it side by side to make sure that it is 100% correct. Then the withdrawal amount, in my case, I just want to send everything over, and then I click on withdraw, and in a few minutes I will have the Ethereum in our MetaMask wallet on the Arbitrum network. And now you can see I have $99.6 worth of Ethereum in our MetaMask wallet on the Arbitrum network. And by the way, if you don't have this page open, you can, in the top right corner in Chrome, click on this puzzle piece, then click on MetaMask, and here you then also see the wallet. So you can follow everything step by step. First of all, what we now have to do is we swap Ethereum into USDC, but it's very important that we don't swap everything. So in this case, let's only swap 0.02 because we need a little bit of Ethereum for gas fee. So for every transaction on MetaMask, we actually need a little extra fee for the network. So let's submit this, and now we will have a USDC in our wallet, which we then can easily deposit into Hyperliquid. So now you can see on tokens, go to the tokens tab, we now have 87 USDC and $11 worth of Ethereum, which is more than enough to cover our gas fees. Now we can finally create our account on Hyperliquid, and for this I recommend you check out the link in the video description, because this link will apply a referral code, and this code will unlock a 4% discount on your trading fees. So when you click the link below this video in the description or in the first pinned comment, you will see this. You are invited to Hyperliquid from the referral code TCT, connect to Hyperliquid and save on fees by using this code. If you already created your account without adding the code, don't worry, I can show you a method how you can add it afterwards too. So let's now click on connect. In this case, of course, we will use MetaMask. If you use a different wallet, you have to choose it here. In my case, it's MetaMask. Then we click on connect right here in the top right corner. We, of course, read the terms of use and privacy policy. We agree, and then we click on accept. And again, here the MetaMask window in the top right corner appears, and we have confirmed this. And now we can click on join with code TCT, and now we have successfully created our Hyperliquid account. If you signed up before without the code, go to the referrals section in the top area right here, click on referrals, then click on enter code, and then you will here find a field where you can put in the code. So simply put in TCT, and then you will also be eligible for the 4% discount on your trading fees. Now that you have successfully created your Hyperliquid account and you have a wallet funded with USDC, we can now deposit our USDC into Hyperliquid. On the right hand side, click on the deposit button, then establish connection. I also use stay connected, so it's a bit faster and easier the next time. Click on confirm, and now we can deposit our USDC on the Arbitrum network, and then we select here the amount. And remember, we already have this set up, so make sure it's a USDC, it is Arbitrum here, and then the amount I send everything into our wallet. Click on confirm. And then within the next block, we will see the funds in our Hyperliquid account. This can take a few minutes. Now, literally just a few seconds later, we have the USDC in our perpetual futures account. So now the question is, what do you want to do? If you want to trade with leverage, then you can just keep it in here. But let's say, for example, you want to buy the Hyperliquid coin, right? The Hype coin, which is the native token from Hyperliquid. Go to the spot market, then click on Hype Spot. And now we have to transfer our USDC from the Perps wallet to the Spot wallet. You can do this on the right-hand side where it says Perps Spot with these two arrows. Click on this. And now we want to send our funds from Perps to Spot. Vice versa, if you want to send funds from Spot to Perps, you just click on these arrows to switch it. But in this case, we want the funds in our Spot wallet. Click on confirm, confirm this here again. And now we have the USDC in our Spot account, and now we can buy Hyperliquid on the Hyperliquid spot market. Let's just buy with 50% of our balance. Click on place order. Actually, let's use a market order. Don't show this again, we buy it. And that's how you can easily buy the Hyperliquid coin on the Hyperliquid platform. And that's everything you need to know. If you want to get started with buying Hyperliquid or trading on Hyperliquid, check out the link in the video description. That link will activate a 4% discount on your trading fees. Additionally, you will also find a link to Bitunex, which will give you a 10% discount over on Bitunex.